Alpha Summer is happening in cities all around the country, and it's for rising kindergartners through 8th graders. At Alpha Summer, our K through 8th graders aren't just doing arts and crafts, they are building the impossible. Your child will have access to the TimeBack learning platform for the rest of the summer. Public speaking and entrepreneurship, grit and hard work, leadership and teamwork, relationship building and socialization, the skills that kids really need to be successful. In just 5 days, these kids go from day one on campus to launching Estes rockets, mastering survival skills, training as field medics, becoming authors and carpenters, engineering autonomous siege machines, flying Tello drones through obstacle courses, programming Arduino robots, building rafts, and launching bigger, bolder ideas every single day. On Friday, parents will come together to get to see the work that their kids did throughout the week. This showcase will blow you away. Alpha Summer is not a camp. It's a chance for you to see what Alpha could do in your child's life.
And it's got me saying,
I'm gonna go to Alpha Summer for 9 weeks because I love Alpha. I'm gonna be building an actual speedboat with the master carpenters.
Click the link in the description to get more details on exactly what you and your child will receive during this 5-day experience.